In the middle of these waves, we see workers moving from one boat to another. It's important to keep the boats balanced in these conditions. It shows how good they are at their jobs. The waves make the boats move specially. Sometimes they go up high, sometimes they go down low. It's like they are dancing with the waves. The video also shows how beautiful the ocean can be. Even with all its power and strength, it's a beautiful place to be. We see the boats and ships still moving with the waves. They have made it through another day on the ocean.